How much do you want to bet? How much do you want to bet that at least 3 out of the 5 steps that I'm going to talk about in this video you skip? You want to bet? Honestly, if there's any of you watching this video right now that make it through all 5 of these steps and you do all these steps every morning, I want you to make yourself known in the comments, bro, because you must be a different breed. You must be a different breed of sexiness. Now, for the rest of us, today I'm going to talk about 5 grooming steps that almost every dude skips in the morning that you should not be skipping. Let's hop into them. Number 1, it's showering. 28%. You hear that right? 28% of Americans say they shower in the mornings. Where does that leave the other 72%? Yo, that is unhygienic. You need to understand that you just slept for 10 hours. Most of us, I would say at least 90% of us, sweat through the night. We're also rolling around in our own dead skin cells that are in the bed. The oils, the sweat, the dead skin cells. You're rolling around all of that. Then you're going to wake up, literally just somewhat do your hair and go out the door. Bro, you're going to smell bad, or at least not as good as you should be smelling. A shower in the morning is one of the best ways to start your day, and it's also one of the most hygienic ways to start your day because you can get started on your whole grooming routine. My showers, they take about 5 to 10 minutes, and the beauty of them is that I'm efficient with it. Like, I'll have my heat grooming scrubber inside, so I'll not only shower, I'll also do my skincare routine. I'll put a little bit of my facial cleanser, and I'll do that as I'm showering, so within 5 minutes, I'm clean, my skin is on point, and I can head out the door feeling confident. And that's what I want you guys to start doing. This is exactly why we started our company, Heat Grooming, that's launching this Saturday, March 27th at 10 a.m. Eastern. Yo, this facial cleanser, it'll change your grooming game because you can have it in your shower. It's water resistant. It recharges wirelessly. And the beauty of it is that, like I said, as you're showering, you can streamline your grooming processes so you can be more efficient. So you can actually look good without spending a lot of time in the shower or in the bathroom. Number 2, sunscreen. This most men skip. And the truth is that this is probably one of your most important steps in the morning because it protects you throughout the rest of the day. Not only does it protect you to things like skin cancer, it also makes you look better. See, the sun's rays, they're highly damaging to the skin. It ages you faster. It causes skin irritation. A sunscreen can help protect your skin so it ages slower and you look better over time. There's actually a whole study where they took this dude where he was a truck driver. The interesting part is that he never wore sunscreen and he always had the sunlight hit the left side of his face because obviously that's where it comes in as he's driving. Today, now that he's like 80 or 90, the interesting part is that the left side, which is the side where all the sun was hitting him, it's completely destroyed, whereas the right side looks much better. The point is, the sun, it's ruining your face. And even if you have an office job, you still get sunlight coming in through the windows and as you commute to work. You need to start wearing a sunscreen because this single move right here can make you more attractive. Which takes us on to number 3, brushing your teeth in the morning. Bro, if I think showering it's not showering in the morning, it's gross, not even brushing your teeth in the morning, it's the most unhygienic thing you can do, and then step out in the morning. The morning breath is strong, bro. And then mixing that with coffee, yo, nobody's gonna wanna talk to you all day long. Brushing your teeth in the morning is just as essential as showering in the morning. And these are 2 steps that you must do before you get your day started. You see that slick toothbrush that I'm using? Yeah, that matte black toothbrush. That's our new electric toothbrush that's from Heat Grooming. This is our brand new tool that's dropping tomorrow, March 27th at 10 a.m. Eastern. Now today, pro members are going ham already, which by the way, you guys are, I love you guys. You guys are OGs, bro. But tomorrow, I want you guys to pick one of these up. See, our new electric toothbrush has 40,000 revolutions per minute. Does that make any sense? Just to put that into perspective, your regular manual toothbrush, you could probably do about 100 to 200 brushes a minute. Our toothbrush does 40,000. Not only are you going to be cleaning your teeth faster, you're going to be more effective at reaching those tight spots to make sure your teeth are white and perfectly clean as you step out the door. Now the cool part with our electric toothbrush is that it recharges wirelessly. It also comes with 3 modes that you can choose for cleaning, and more importantly, when you flip it around, it has a tongue scraper. Now as you know, cleansing your tongue is the most important step for that fresh breath. Match that with our 40,000 RPMs, and your tongue's gonna be spotless after using our toothbrush. Boys, as you can see, our entire lineup of heat grooming was designed with one purpose in mind. For men, to make them look better. They're all matte black, so it's gonna look slick in your bathroom, and it's gonna elevate your grooming routine. Boys, you're not gonna want to miss this. Tomorrow at 10 a.m., you're gonna wanna be one of the first ones there, because this stuff's already flying. Number 4, applying a ball cream. What did I tell you? What did I tell you? I know for a fact, one of you guys, almost all of you guys watching this right now is gonna miss at least one of these steps. I already know. This one, 99.8% of men skip. Now here's why you should be doing it. See, your balls, it's like no different than your armpits. Would you ever step out the house without a deodorant? Of course not. See, this area, it's cramped in. It creates a lot of heat, which then creates a lot of sweat, which then creates a lot of odors. Well, your balls, it's no different, if not worse. All the pubic hair in that closed environment, it creates a lot of heat. It creates a lot of sweat, which creates those swamp balls, and then the stinky balls that ain't nobody gonna wanna be around stinky balls, bro. See, this is the interesting part with putting on a ball cream. The ball cream acts like a deodorant, where not only is it this refreshing mist sensation when you do apply it, which is, boys, let me just tell you, it's incredible. But more importantly, on top of it kind of like elevating you up in the mornings, it acts like a deodorant. It keeps that area dry all day, absorbing all that moisture so you avoid the swamp balls and make sure that that area smells fresh all day long. And finally, number 5, it is doing your hair. See, doing your hair takes time in the morning, and it usually takes time because you're not finding the right style that suits your personal hairstyle. For example, I have curly, coarse hair. So recently, I have been going along my natural hair pattern and bringing out the curls, which makes my morning process smoother. The problem with most guys, though, is since they don't find what works for their hair shape, whatever hairstyle they do have takes forever, and now they just avoid it all along, and they walk around with bedhead. Boys, your hair, it is like the source of your confidence. Having good hair can actually make you look more attractive. See, a proper hairstyle will define and form your head shape to give you that masculine look you want. But if you're not styling it in the mornings, it's gonna look like you just rolled out of bed and put on zero effort. Styling your hair every morning, it's that one step you should never skip, Monday through Sunday. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. Like I told you, one of these 5, chances are one of you guys are already missing. And if there's any of you that does all 5, like I said, make yourself known in the comments. I want to meet you in person. Matter of fact, I'm going to just fly you out just to meet you one-on-one, because you must be a different specimen of sexiness, boys. That's it for me today. Don't forget, our heat grooming launch happens tomorrow. That's it for me today. See you next time.